Let's take a look at our new self-service diagnostic tools. I'm in a simple iModel, just made up of three objects from MicroStation. So if I open up my first named version, what we'll see is the iModel at that point, a snapshot at version 001. And of course, that is what we have. It's at that point in time, and what we'd like to do is check it and see what errors we might have further down the line. Okay, I've got no save view, so it's gone to the 3D models tab. So let's open this iModel, enter this iModel, and have a look at what we've got. So as I said, it's just three simple shapes in here, and a normal model tree is just a CAD file called Diagnostics with three levels: cone, cube, and sphere. Simple as that. Now, what I did is I changed the weight and line style for the sphere level. So we now have our Synchronization Diagnostics tool here right inside Design Review. And if we click on this, we can do this in a variety of ways. We could do this date by date, you know, through the briefcases, via named version or via change set. And obviously you might have multiple change sets per named version. So I'll just go named version, and I'll go from version 1 to version 2, but we could just do version 2, just version 1, and see what we get. So in a way, this is the first port of call. If you have an issue with your iModel, really this is the first point to look at. So we're going to go and get some reports in here. And obviously the timestamps for each of these iModels. And as you can see, there was no issues with the first one. So if we look at the details, you can see it was totally successful. This is the file that we processed, and there's no issues at all. So if we were to go and look at details, of course, it's empty. So let's go back. And let's have a look at the one that says, yes, I've got errors in here. And of course, remember missing reference models. If you have a yes in here, then really you need to investigate and find out what's going on. So let's have a look and see what's going on. So we've processed one file and we've got some errors. And if I go into details, as you can see in here, it's telling me we've changed the weight and the style of a level. Okay, so I've gone from a 0.8 to a 3 and from solid to a dashed line or something like that. So this is the information we're getting, and this is where you need to go back to that level in the CAD file, check what we did in here, and so on. Don't go looking in this location, as this is a temporary staging location. This really needs some work. You will not find that folder. Okay. Well, while you're in here, you can also get some IDs of your job, iModel, and so on from here if that's what you need. And so those are the issues that you should be looking at first before you do anything else.